There are thousands of investments in the world. Did I say thousands? I mean millions ways to invest your money. I know you've even tried some of them, but let me ask you, did your money come back? This year, you need to follow people with no road. I mean, you need to make smart decisions when it comes to investing your money. And how do you do that? You have to invest your money in a platform that would give you great value, high returns, as well as least risk. This platform is the Real Estate Cashback, brought to you by ZYLUS Group Investment. And guess what? The Real Estate Cashback has been running for over 3 years and has served thousands of customers. What we do is to invest in real estate, and you already know that when you invest in real estate, you're just going to put your money and go to sleep knowing fully well that your returns is going to come to you. This time we'll bring you real estate cashback with the Lekki Pride II, one of our trusted and very juicy estate at ZYLUS Group. And yes, with the real estate cashback Lekki Pride II Reloaded, you can now buy square meters of land at Lekki Pride II, and guess what? You put your money there, and in 12 months you will be able to get 32% profit. Juicy, right? I am talking about the fact that you would put in 10 million and get back 13.2 million in 12 months. That is 32% profit. Or even put in 20 million and get back 26.4 million.